Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to equip and customize your character on the Among Us application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the last icon down below. At the bottom of the screen you can see that there are 6 options, so click on the last one, and here at the top of the screen you can choose from a bunch of categories such as colors, hats and skins and so on. So if you want to apply any of these, just simply tap on the relevant one and then click on the equip button down below in the right side of the screen. So you can proceed with adding hats as well, skins. Then if you are on a certain level you can add pets, nameplates and cosmic cubes as well. So that's how you can customize your character. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.